With kids back in school all across central Indiana, our Classroom to Career initiative is focused on connecting students with programs that could help them one day land a job. And this morning, we're looking at some arcade games that are actually helping kids excel in science and technology.
Hey, you can't beat that, right? Well, our Erin Lish joining us live this morning from the State Fairgrounds. She's inside the Agriculture Horticulture building, showing us exactly that. Erin, talk to us a little bit more about who's behind this learning environment.
So Purdue Extension has created the Pixel Play Arcade, and you can come here. There's 7 different games here where kids can learn and have fun while doing it. Glowing lights and sounds of high scores are coming out of the Purdue Extension Arcade, and there's a big fan of these games.
They're realistic. That's kind of cool. It's like they're fun, they're hard, they're challenging.
Fun and challenging is exactly what Purdue Extension was hoping for.
One of the things that we found is one of the easiest ways to teach youth about science or other different educational aspects of it is put it in a game format.
Their goal is to get kids interested in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math.
So what we want to do is we want to make sure that the youth continue to be involved in science, engage in it as they grow up and go through school.
The games focus on health and science like good grains and creatures roaming Indiana like hellbenders. But kids don't even realize they're learning.
Yeah, I think they're amphibians. Yeah, salamanders, like little salamander things that are endangered in Indiana. I think I have actually seen a real one.
Bringing excitement to learning and a dream of a career in the making.
If it can be a little arcade game where they learn a little bit about health and the importance of calcium in their healthy diets, to make them think about that as their career choice of the future, that's what we hope to do.
So all of these games were actually created by Purdue Extension students, and they wanted to focus on wildlife as well as health. So you guys can stop by here. It's going to be open during the fair this entire time. If you can't make it to the fair, that's okay, because they actually will have these at the kids' museums. I was just playing the one that Erin enjoyed, Hellbender Havoc, and what's really neat about that is it's connected with Indiana since they are endangered. And speaking of animals, tomorrow we are highlighting a path that your kids can take to become veterinarians. Back to you in the studio.
Erin is having too much fun. But
She's been playing games all morning.
So now I know, besides a tenderloin and a lemon shake-up, an educational opportunity at the State Fair.